I'm the person who built a clock and got in a lot of trouble for it. I built the clock to impress my teacher, but when I showed it to her, she thought it was a threat to her. So it was really sad that she took a wrong impression of it, and I got arrested for it later that day. But since the charges have already been dropped, I will have to say that I really want to go to MIT and TAMS, and I'm thinking about transferring schools from MacArthur to any different school. No, I am still suspended until Thursday. I've seen Mark Zuckerberg, Hillary Clinton, Barack Obama, and I am pleased that they are a part of the action and the movement to get rid of everything that has been happening, not just to me, but to other people around the entire globe.
Ahmed Muhammad, and I'm proud of him. He fixed my car, my electricity, my phone, my TV, his go-kart, my computer. I swear I don't use hypocrite. It is a true. He's a very smart, brilliant boy.